to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In this episode, we're going to see arpeggios in a sequence. When you're playing, a sequence of chords, and you're playing arpeggios on top of it. So we will see A minor, C major, E minor. You will see what's going to happen. If you want to play along, please tune to this note. Stay tuned. We're going to explain the chords in this arpeggio sequence. We have A minor, then C major, then G major, then F major, G major again, A minor, C major, E minor, and then D major. So we're going to start, this sequence starts from the top. We're going to do 12, start on the 12 with a downstroke, and pull off on 8th. So it's 12, 8, 12, 8, 12, 8, then we have 10 on the second string, up with an upstroke, and then we have 9 on the third string with another upstroke. Remember, this is arpeggio, sweep picking is involved in this technique. So we have so far like this. Then on the fourth string we have 10 again, 12 with your pinky with an upstroke, and then we have E. That will be 7th fret on the 5th string, downstroke. So you're doing this, and you go back. So down and back again with an upstroke, and then downstroke all over again. And start on the 15th fret, the C major arpeggio. That will be the same concept, but the finger is different. It's 15th, 12, 15 downstroke, then a pull off on 12. And then it's 13 on the second string, 12 on the third string, and then 14 on the fourth string, and then 15 on the fifth string with an upstroke, and then down stroke to 10 on the fifth string. This is what you do. And then G major, the same pattern, but you start on the 10th fret on the first string. And then we're gonna do F major and G major, but as a 3-string arpeggio. So this is the way you do it slow. It will be 8, pull off, 5 on the first string, then 6 on the second, and then 5 again on the third string. When you come back, so and start all over again in A minor. And then the same pattern we did on A minor, we're gonna do in E minor here in the 19th fret. And then D major. It's the same pattern we did on C major, but one step up. Then we play G flat, then D. So let's play it slow, but all together. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. And see you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Please comment on the section down below. And if you want to have an on-one session with me, one-on-one session with me through online or whatever, just look at the details down in the description of this video and you will see how to get in contact with me, alright? See you soon in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh!